Some people think that having a child is going to put a stop, a break, a pause on their spiritual journey. My friend, you have no idea how much more improvement you can get from having a child, how much further the child will take you on your journey, how much a child would push you, how much a child will make you the person you never thought you could ever become. You have no idea how much a child would lead you to have much more energy, much more capacities, be much more awake and aware, sleep less because of the whole of sleep deprivation that you go through for the first 4 years, not just month. You have no idea. Especially if you are already woke when you have a child, your child will be so tuned in, like mine is. Your child won't sleep through the night. Your child will have so much energy. My daughter, nobody can handle her more than 2 hours a day. Only her dad and me can have her full days. Just to tell you, even the school kicked her out because she has too much energy. She's too wild, too connected, tuned in, only want to be barefoot, runs faster than anybody, and she's only 5. So just so you know, that type of children, that the children that are born in this era now, they will shift your capacities like you can't even expect. So yeah, your spiritual journey will be way better, way more intense, way more deep if you have a child than if you don't have one. I can say that now because I can compare where I was at. When you're on your own, you can say stop, you can say no, you can pause, plateau your growth without even realizing it because you have no mirror. You can be by yourself, be on the beach, choose what you want to do in terms of organization, planning, all of that stuff. But when you have a child, you have no choice. No choice. You're all in, and that's the key. You gotta be all in. Remove the child from school. I realize now how the school is just so programming them. Be, the teacher for yourself. Be open to be your own teacher, your child's teacher. Open your child to like traveling and do that with them. Go through like scary slides and high climbing, things that you're scared of and you wouldn't be doing by yourself anyway. Do all these things, and that child is gonna lead you to a journey that is just beyond magic. You will connect with your inner child, that one that you may not have connected fully when you were a child yourself. It's going to be great, but it's going to be freaking scary. And sometimes you'll be like crying, sobbing, thinking, oh my God, when is this going to end? And the idea is not to think about the end, is to live in the present moment, going through the challenge all in and going with the flow, and you will be fine. You will realize, actually, for me, I meditate at night, I do breath work at night, I barely sleep. And during the day, I'm all in with her. Sometimes I get some help from her dad, my mum, a nanny. I have a nanny. She can handle her a few hours. And she's doing things that she wouldn't necessarily do with me, with other children as well. So that's how I do it. But most times I'm with her all day, like 14-hour days. And it's leading me to work out more, to connect with nature more, to connect with plants, animals, pets, people, in a way that I wouldn't normally do if I was by myself. So good luck, enjoy the journey. And if you are someone who's already woke and have that wisdom, think about, if you're thinking of not having a child, think about what the planet and the world is missing by you choosing not to have one. Of course, I'm not encouraging people to have kids, but if you are in the capacity physically, financially, mentally, emotionally, then that will make a difference in this world if you are a parent. Okay, think about it. Catch up in the next video. Bye now.